बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, today we will learn about laboratory apparatus and their uses. Laboratory is well-equipped place for scientific experiments. All the scientific experiments carried out in the laboratories, and a laboratory without apparatus is just like a kitchen without utensils. Laboratories apparatus help scientists to perform different experiments. And the following are some common laboratory apparatus and their uses. We will learn about these apparatus, how we will use them in our scientific experiments. First one is beaker. Students, a laboratory equipment, a beaker is generally a cylindrical container used to mix or measure chemicals or other liquids. We used the beaker to mix or measure the chemicals or liquids. Second one is measuring cylinder. A graduated cylinder is also known as measuring cylinder. Use of measuring cylinder is to measure the volumes of liquid and has a narrow cylindrical shape. Students, next one is a pipette. A pipette is used in chemistry, biology and medicine to transport a measured volume of liquid. And students, next one we have laboratory thermometer. It is used for measuring the temperature of materials during experiment. Next one, measuring balance. It is used to measure the mass of solids. All the solids are measured in measuring balance. Next one is measuring tape or measuring rod. Students, it is used to measure the length or width of any object. And next one is test tube. Test tube is used to containing the heating small amount of substances. And next one is evaporating dish. It is used to evaporate liquid from a solution. When we have a solution, we use to evaporate liquid from it with this. Next one is filter funnel. It is used for the separation of insoluble solids from a liquid with the help of a filter paper. And next one is Bunsen burner. As the name shows, it is used for heating purposes. When we want to heat any substance, we use this. Next one is tripod stand. Students, it supports the apparatus during the process of heating. Next one is retort stand, and it is used to support the apparatus during specific experiments. Next, we have different types of flasks. So number one, flat bottom flask. It is used to keep chemical for the preparation of gases if the process doesn't require heating. Next one, round bottomed flask. Next, students, it is used to keep chemicals for the preparation of gases when the process requires heating. Last, conical flask. It is used to collect, transfer or heat substance. Its mouth is narrow and a stopper can be used for storing a substance. Students, hope you will learn all the laboratory apparatus and their uses. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.